Well, let's talk about our first topic, which we are going to discuss, is about traveling. Well, this course, or a mini course about traveling, is going to help you improve your English in all spheres that is connected with traveling. For example, where's the place where you use English? From the time you step out of your apartment or your house. Well, you use English as soon as you sit in the plane, because the air hostess has to speak to you, might offer you food or drink. You use English over there. So all these moments, right from the time when you are in the plane, you're leaving your country, like in Russia, you're leaving Russia, you have left the airport, and now you are abroad. So every moment has been planned in our program, and we're trying to give you practice of each of this point. How will you speak English in the plane? How will you use your English skills when you come at the airport? How will you use your English skills when you talk to the custom officials? How will you take a taxi? What's the conversation which you'll use over there? I do understand that for many people it can be a big problem to say simple phrases, and at the right moment you might forget what to say. So here in our program, you're going to get enough training, enough confidence to speak when you meet these people. After that, how to check into a hotel, how to before that, how to book a hotel. If you're booking a hotel for your company, how to speak correctly to the receptionist who you're calling, how to make a reservation for a room, to ask about the room, what does the room look like, ask about the hotel. They're not going to speak in Russian to you. You'll need English over there. After that, we move on to places where you need English. For example, you need English in the restaurant where you order food. You can order food, your waiter may not speak Russian very well, if you're going especially to the US, or you're coming to Western Europe, for example. Waiters don't, speak your language very well, so you need English over there. So most of my students, they ask me, Richard, we don't know how to order food. So can you please tell me what is, moo moo? What is, I said beef, pork. So many people don't know simple phrases, They don't know, they say, I want to have pig. Pig? So, pork. I would like to have some pork. So we will discuss menus. What do different food items, what are they called in English? How do you correctly say the right name for the different kinds of, food which you can order in a restaurant? Then sightseeing, how to use English when you are with a guide. Describing places, what you want. Then, how to, for example, if you're sunbathing at the beach, how to make people understand what you need on the beach, for example. So, all aspects. We will try to cover each and every aspect where English is required by a traveler. Because traveling, in my idea, is the first thing which every Russian wants, because you're traveling outside Russia on a holiday, and you will need English, because English is spoken everywhere, and it's an international language. So that's the program which we are going to teach you in traveling.